Tom Ackerman, do you have the info that everybody wants to know today? Is this going to be a total washout for the Derby like last year, or is there a glimmer of hope? Let's check in with him now. Good morning, Tom.
Hey, good morning. And before I give the info, I got to say, Goodman, I'm loving the pocket square.
Thank you, sir.
Claire,
Yeah.
that hat is popping. I love it.
Oh,
You guys,
Tom.
You guys look spectacular.
Thank you so much.
If you're coming out later on today, I think that's going to be our better bet for more widespread rain. I drove in early this morning, and coming out the interstate, did run into a few spotty little sprinkles and showers around. I think that's going to be a low-end issue for us through the morning. The better chance, though, unfortunately, and we've talked about this all week, is the possibility for the better chance for rain into the afternoon. Just as, the peak folks come out and start to get out here to view the Derby. So what's going on weather-wise right now? This is back in Lexington. Our Keeneland live weather bug camera shows some rain has been coming down. So, yeah, we're back in it. Unfortunately, that rain chance just not going away today. As you heard Chris talking about, we did have a nice break in the action for the Oaks yesterday after that deluge in the morning. The MaxTrack Live Doppler showing very light precipitation for the most part. You've got these light shades of green, an indication of some sprinkles and some light rain showers. It goes all the way from Harlan up into eastern counties, and as well, we've got a little bit between Louisville and Lexington, so it's fairly low-level stuff, but it's still enough to get you wet, make you run the wipers, and maybe make you need to get the rain gear out. Back to the west, you can see the more substantial wave that is building. They've got heavy rain across Illinois, back towards Paducah. They've got showers moving in. So, yeah, we're going to be dealing with this morning, but I do believe the more widespread heavy stuff will be later on today. There is a flash flood watch in effect for a cluster of eastern Kentucky counties, so you're going to have to keep an eye out for that. That goes all the way through tomorrow morning. So, the future track, here we go. We've got these little spotty spikes of showers. We may have some brief clearing, and then look at the timing. That's getting into early afternoon. I'm thinking between about noon and 6, especially here in Louisville. That's going to be our best potential for showers, embedded thunderstorms. Now, this is 6 o'clock, so we may get lucky and have it cut close enough that we could see some gradual tapering off in that rain as we get closer to the actual running of the Derby. But the afternoon races, much of them, I think, are going to be dealing with a sloppy track and some more prevalent precipitation. It's 61 degrees. Temperatures should be held in check with extensive cloud cover and rain around today. Will probably be in the upper 60s and some folks into the 70s. So another wet Derby day for sure. The rain, the storms, mostly into the afternoon. It'll be a fairly quiet morning aside from this low-level stuff that we're dealing with. Sunday, of course, it's beautiful. We dry out, the sunshine returns, and then into next week, better weather expected, and it's going to be beautiful again. So we're going to keep a close eye on that precipitation chance, Claire and Chris, as we get into the afternoon. But at least for early this morning, we should be doing okay.